Do you want your iPhone to get a completely new look? With iOS 26 comes a feature that changes the style of your icons. Now they can look as if they're made of glass. They are transparent, reflect background colors, and give your home screen a modern, futuristic effect. In this video, I'll show you how to enable this option and instantly change the look of your iPhone. First of all, you need to make sure you're running the latest iOS 26 software update on your iPhone, since this is a brand new feature. Next, go to your home screen. Tap and hold anywhere on an empty spot on the screen until your icons start shaking and enter the so-called wiggle mode. Once you do that, you'll immediately see the edit option in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and then in the menu that appears, choose the Customize option. This will open a menu where you can select between light or dark mode for your icons. But if you're running iOS 26, you'll also see a clear option. Just tap on it, and your app icons will become transparent and gain a glass-like texture. And that's it, friends. Super easy and simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next tutorial.